and thanks for joining me for another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Lots of dies going on today, and we'll start off with this envelope die, this really cute little envelope, £2.76. Great for tuck spots, great for little gifts, gift card, pop in your journals, pop on your cards, or just as a little thank you. You know what to do, decorative envelopes for happy mail, etc. So super cute. Just thought it was really easy to make and just looks absolutely lovely. Then I have found another lace bow die. Oh my goodness me, I have about 6 bow dies now, and this one I have not seen before. £2.07. Very, very lacy, and has the rounder edges. It's just, oh, I love it. It's got a double, it's a double bow, bow, if you know what I mean, double bow. Oh my goodness me, that makes sense to most of you probably. Right, then we have these decorative rectangles, £1.98. Excuse me. You have got the 3 different dies here. The larger one, the middle one, and the little centerpiece, so you can use them in lots of different ways. Very ornate, this one. I am loving it. It would look gorgeous on a card or in your journals. I am sure you would find a way to use it. Then if you like to have fun with the kids or just yourself, there are these build up, they're called build up girls, so build a girl die. You get lots and lots of pieces in this die set for the hair, the face, the arms, the legs. Excuse me. And the example they have used felt, so very, very cute. I thought the girls would love making those. Then we have this flower die, which is £2.28, and you have got a couple of different pieces with this die as well. So you can, do the edge flower. You can do it as decorative as you want, or you can miss out the middle bit, so you've got a plain bit in the middle, and then you can put a sentiment if you're using it on a card. Lots of different variations with that die. Now this bow bag topper die I already have, but I'm ordering this for a friend. So I thought I'd show you it anyway in case you've missed it on another episode. It is super cute and super quick and easy. I put embellishment in the middle of the bow. Oh my gosh, I've done too much talking today. And then it's just super easy to make. You've got the 2 layers and then put a centerpiece in. Sorry, that was £2.76. And we have this rabbit die, £1.38, to make this super cute Thumper. He's like Thumper, isn't he? Thumper rabbit. Again, I've got this for the kids because they love to cut out things and they love new dies. And I thought, well, £1.38. I spend more than that when I take them in town, and you can't really buy much that they can use, or it's something of nothing and then it's, they don't use it anymore. We have a flower doily die, £1.57. Very pretty, very leafy, just gorgeous. This is going to be my last video for today because I think I'm going to lose my voice otherwise, so I do apologise. I know I always got a cough, can't get rid of it. I am going to try and be healthier in the new year and hope that will help. Right, we have these travel dies, £1.86, and you get like the suitcase, the camera, the aeroplane, the binoculars, the camper van, and the ship. So lots of dies here. For the £1.86, you can have lots and lots of fun. Great if you're doing a travel journal or a scrapbook, so that you can make your page more interesting. Right, now we have this 3D house die, £2.15, and obviously it cuts out the house, the moon, the stars, and it's like a pop-up effect. So I'm going to have some fun with that. Not quite sure. I think the kids will like that one. I think they'll enjoy making little pop-up house cards, I think. So that's probably what I'm going to use it for. Again, pocket money amount as well. Right, this is called a Peacock Screen, and it is £2.43. Just thought it would be great as a tuck spot pocket in a journal, or you could use it on the edge of a card for a wraparound card. I've actually ordered this so I can do some lovely little tuck spots on my journals, and then you've got that lovely little edge on the bottom which you could peek down on the bottom of your journal. This is a big size background die. I haven't got the measurements, I do apologise, but I think it, for an A5 card, it is classed as a big size background die, so I presume it would cover most, if not all, of an A5 card, but I do not quote me on that. Go and have a look. It is £3.46. Also, I've just put one link in this video for this seller's shop because they have got so many gorgeous dies. I can only show so many, I can only buy so many, so it's great for you to have a look at this leaf and flowers die. This is super pretty, and it's got the gorgeous like scroll, almost scrolls at the bottom there, and I believe you don't have to use all of the dies in there. You can have a blank center. It is entirely up to you, and you can decorate it as much as you want. The same with this lace photo frame. I mean, how gorgeous would this be in a journal with a photo in the middle and using that, for your memories. I love it. I love the center oval. I love the other centerpiece. Oh my gosh, just love this. £2.48, and you get all of these. You can make all of these pieces. This is one of my favorite dies. I think I will use this a lot. This is called the Edgeless Rectangle Diamond background die, £2.26. Very pretty. To put on the back of a project. You could also use it as a pocket for your journal because it actually gives you quite a nice edge that you can glue down, and then you could put a photo in there and pop it in. Oh my gosh, love this one as well. So many ideas for things to make. This is a Rosette Heart die, and makes these lovely rosettes, and they're £1.91. All of these are pocket money dies today. I've not put anything in. I don't believe that's too expensive. Excuse me. And you could just pop on a lovely embellishment in the centre of this die to make it super, super gorgeous, and even put some trim around the edge of that, I would. Right, now this one, I've already shown this one. I've done it twice. Oh, no, I haven't. I thought this was the one I just had. This is a 3-piece flower vine lady die. Now you have the background, the big die, which makes like a wraparound card, and then you have like this little silhouette card in the middle, and then you also have a little banner. So how good is that for £2.28? Then we have this 8-piece Santa's sleigh, £2.42. You've got a little Christmas tree, little presents, and the sleigh itself, and lots of goodies there. I think there's some bows, is there, as well, from what I can see. So yes, the kids will love this for Christmas. I'm going to get them to make their Christmas cards this year. Yes, I am indeed. It'll fill an afternoon anyway. Right, this is for my wedding journal when I get back. This is a 3-piece wedding set, £2.76, and you've kind of got like this background, and then you can cut out the bride and groom to put in the centre. So it's great for wedding cards as well. I've got it for my journal, but I would definitely use it to make wedding cards. And for £2.76, you cannot go wrong. Right, the next one is a decorative envelope to go in my journals, and this is £3.46, but it does everything. You don't need to do anything else. You just pop it in your die cutting machine, and Bob's your uncle. You have these gorgeous, pretty little envelopes to go in your journals to tuck into little hidey holes, or just, you know, send some little happy mail cards. They are just super pretty and make them super lovely and gorgeous. This is an interesting die. It's a stitched scallop frame die, £2.32, and you have got the different layers there as well, so you've got the different sizes, and then you've got this like little center tab pocket, sort of little tab thing that you can slip into journals and put little bits and pieces on, so that's quite interesting. This one I love. I don't have an example of what it looks like cut out, but it is a window and curtain dies, and I've seen lots of window dies but not actually with the curtains as well, so I liked it. I bought it, and I was in my basket to buy, £2.27, and I think that would be really pretty. I have a couple of window dies, but I think this one is going to be my favourite. Then we have a large sort of mandala flower, mandala, how do you pronounce it, mandala flower, very gorgeous, £2.07. I love the pointy petals, and they're so decorative, and you could bling it up with lots and lots of gems. You could make this beautiful. So that is all I have in my basket today. I hope you have enjoyed what I've shown you. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the link to go to the seller's shop, and you know, I've tried to describe them. They usually have a search button that you can search for these items. If not, just keep scrolling down, you will find them. They are there. Any problems, let me know. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.